Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to another video of um, our strategy that we've been using for a little bit now. Um, just want to let everybody out here know this is just for me and myself, kind of my trading journey or trading journal per se. I'm not big on writing stuff, so this YouTube channel helps me to focus on strategies that I backtest on my live accounts, but also on my challenge accounts that I use. Um, so this is basically another video of how my day went today. Just to let you know, this strategy has been backtested for about a couple of months now, and then been on a demo account for about a month as well. And it has been performing well. I want to say about 85% of the time has been very accurate. If you follow the rules of the strategy. I basically trade US 30. I'm a big fan of volatility, so I like SPY, US 30. But I also trade a couple of pairs, Euro USD, Pound Yen, Euro Yen, a couple of my famous, trading because again of my volatility. And the strategy that I'm about to kind of share, has been sharing, is also goes along when there's enough volatility in the market. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. I'll kind of show you, what my strategy is, and then we'll go from there. Basically, a couple of things. Let me kind of go ahead and remove these lines for you, and I'll explain to you what they are. What I'm looking for, two things. Number one, well, first of all, I want to go into the 5 minutes chart. And what I'm trading is from about, well, we're looking for about one trade, one minimum, maximum 2 trades per day. That's it. And I'll kind of go over what happens and why or when I will be using the second trade. But the first trade is basically, like I said, one trade per day, and we're looking for about 50 pips in profit with this strategy. Now, again, this is trading. People come into trading with with a lot of like, I don't even me when I first started, it was unrealistic goals, and I found out very quickly. The market taught me very quickly that you know we can get rich. It's not a rich or get rich quick quick scheme when it comes to trading, and you need to have a lot of patience, and more importantly, you need to have a lot of what do you call discipline in the market. Otherwise, it's going to chew you up and throw you out. So without further ado, what I'm looking for basically is any throughout the night, looking for 2 points of interest. Number one, so the market closes next day and then reopens. I'm not trading, none of that. You're just waiting to see how the market behaves. And you will see I'm looking for 1 point of interest, which is the highest of that night, right? Or if there has been creating a support, a resistance, right? And then on the downside, I'm looking for the support line and when it was rejected. So these are the 2 points of interest for me. That's it. Just draw 2 vertical lines right across. And just want to let you know right now I'm on investing.com. They have a free charting system, and that's what I use. You can use whatever the charting systems you want, and you will see it's I like to keep it very simple. I don't like a lot of indicators in my chart. Just clutters my understanding of the whole market. So the only two things that you really need is a support and a resistance line. That's it, right? For the last like 8-9 hours. And then what you do is go back into, just give me 1 minute here. Okay. And then what we want to do is we wait for the market to open. Now, we're looking at the 5 minutes chart, and then we want to look at the 1 minute, get back into the 1 minute chart, right? That's it. That's all you do. So let's go back into that point right here. Oh, sorry. Market open at 9:30 right here. Yeah. And then I draw a vertical line, a horizontal line, pardon me, on the time that the market opens. That's it. Those are the only couple of lines you wait for. Now, then we're going to wait. And if you notice on this right here, this um, the resistance line right here, the market was able to, right before the market opened, was able to close a candle above. So what I do is just bring another right here. We're just going to go ahead and bring another horizontal line right here, draw that, and then make it a red line, right? Just to kind of differentiate the difference between the two. And we wait for the market to open. This is exactly what I did in the morning. Remember, we're on the 1 minute chart now. And then the market opened, kind of closed above that, that night, above that, the resistance level right there, and then came right down, right? And then on this first candle at 9:30, remember I'm trading from 9, I'm looking for from about 9:30 to 11 a.m. or about 12 p.m. Eastern time. And then it closed right above and then went right back above, right? So what I did was take another horizontal line, draw another red line to kind of indicate to me that, okay, so this is a point of interest, right? What I'm waiting for is to see, we're waiting for the market to show their hand. Now, one or two things will happen, right? This is, there's only one or two possibilities that could happen. The market is either going to go down, right? Kind of see if I can, hold on. See if I have, oh, where is this line? I can't to draw it, right? Oh, there you go. So the market either can go down, right there, this way, or it's going to go down, go up, right? So those are the only two possibilities that could happen. Now, what we're waiting for is, very simple. Couple of things here. Let me get rid of that right there. Okay, right there. And then what we're technically waiting for from here on out is for the market to kind of show the hand, right? So if you notice on this 1 minute, 1 minute chart right here, the market opens, goes up, goes down, tries to break one, right? 1, 2, 3 times, cannot break that market low on that particular day, right? Now, what I'm going to go ahead and tell you what the trade I did was, right? And then on this next candle goes up and then shoots right above this, above that night's resistance. Big candle, right? This is a huge candle compared to the day. And then it tells me that the market has displaced, meaning the market is now going on the opposite direction. And that's exactly when I took the trade at 38397. And then remember, I want 50 pips. My takeout was around right here, right, 4547, and that's hit within the next minute. It hit my take profit, and then I was able to close with a 50 pip profit. My what I started was a two lot size, and I was able to take profit. Now you'll ask me why didn't I hold? It would have been another nice 100 200 pips, but that's not what I'm looking for. I'm very disciplined, and I'm trying to stick to my goal of like 50 pips per day. Now if the market has gone the opposite direction, it's the same theory, and if it has gone below this daily low, it tells me that it's making lower lows, right? Now, if that was to ever happen, kind of goes all the way down, I'm going to be very, very patient when that happens, right? I'm waiting for either the market to bounce right back up and retest this area. And then I'm watching very closely to see if this retest is a permanent retest and kind of go against us, or is it like trying to break and still not breaking? Then I'll get into a trade for a sell. But that's the kind of way I do it. I like to draw this rectangle box. Again, it's a free charting system. You can draw a rectangle box, however you want to keep it. What I'm looking for is this, this place where the market displays. So I wouldn't even mind making this a little bigger, right? Because I know this candle is where the market is placed, and I'm waiting to see if there's any, either way, if it goes if it goes, if it's a buy, I'm waiting to see if it comes down to this level so I could retest. I mean, retest this area and I could make another buy. If it sells, I'm waiting to see if it retests this area so I could make another sell. And you can see, right, every time it came back into that level, it kind of, bounce right back up. See right there, all throughout the day. Now that's not what I'm looking for. Again, I'm looking for one trade. Again, the second trade, if my one trade, let's say if I sold here, which I wouldn't absolutely not have here, but let's say if I sold, if I got told, if my stop loss got taken away, now I'm waiting for a retest of this area, and then I will try another trade. However, that's very unlikely. I don't like to get into more than one trade per day. That's kind of my goal. So it's very basic. In fact, it's kind of like too basic sometimes, I feel like, but that's where my strategy has been working for about 2 months now, and it has given me clear results. Again, if you ask me my stop loss and take profit areas, it's usually 1-to-1 ratio. So if I'm looking for about 50 pips, which I'm looking for a 50 pip loss. Sometimes it can be a little tad bit more, maybe about 60 to 70 pip loss that I set. But usually it's going to be about 50 to 50. So it's about 1-to-1 ratio is what I'm looking for. So if I lose 50, I want to be able to get back on the next day and gain that 50 and then go on and win some money. Please understand that this is a system that's work in progress. And this video that I'm doing right now is just for myself, to keep myself disciplined. So I could come back and check. Wins are always good, right? You don't have to go back and check like the days that I have today. I started this live account about a couple of days ago, and you'll see both the trades that I've done are exactly on the same principle. In fact, I can go back really quickly and show that. Let me go to the 5 minute. This was the trade that I took yesterday. Same concept, right? You had your support, and then you had a resistance line throughout the night, and then 7:30, when it opened, the 9:30 when the market opened. 9:30 when the market opened, and then try to break above, right? Then try to break below. Waited for the market to kind of tell me what to do. Went above where the last night's support level. The moment it did that, I took a trade, and I was able to get a 50 pip profit there as well. So again, that's the basic idea. What I'm going to do going forward is do live trading. This way, we can all see what we are doing and what I'm doing, and this way we can all, I can learn myself, of course. And then if you guys like what's happening there, you can kind of get on those trades as well. But that's how I've been trading for the past couple of months. Hope this helps. And if you like it, please, you're more than welcome to join us and join me in my trading journey. But but going forward, this is going to be my trading journal. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.